We launched Polaris in India in August 2011, and the first mass test drives given was in Auto Expo 2012 in January. And that's where we saw a lot of people coming, and when they got the ride and when they came out of the vehicle, they said, the words were awesome, amazing, and wow. There were people who were queuing and waiting for 1 hour to get a ride of 1 minute. And that gave us the idea of a business opportunity. The Polaris India team decided that we are going to create similar tracks all over the country, and that's what we are talking to you right now. It's amazing to drive Polaris vehicles. We already have successful tracks in many cities in the country, and I will urge you to talk to the sales team and get this profitable business started in your city. And this business idea is in front of you. This is up to you now to understand and implement. But I can assure you, when you run this business, it will be really profitable, and you will get to see a lot of customers' excitement all over your track.